What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be forging. Now I have my whole setup here. You can't see it, I'll show you in a minute. But I've got my forge, my anvil that I made in a previous video, a piece of steel I got from some road construction thing. I think it's high carbon, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna try to forge it into something, maybe a knife or something, a dagger. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna get the forge fired up and after I show you my whole setup. Okay, so here is my setup. I've got my air pump back there. This is my forge. I built this out of a old lid, I think. I got this from Goodwill for $1. And then the rebar stands down here at the bottom, the 3. I got those for $1 each too, so this is like a $5 thing because of the air pump. Also, it was like a couple dollars for the air system. But yeah, that's that. Here I have my anvil. I've got my tongs, I guess, or grips. That's a piece of steel. I've got a wire brush from my welder, which sucks, but I'm gonna see if it works. I've got my stand, and then back here I have an old axe that doesn't really matter if I break, for cutting stuff off. And I've got my hammer way back here along with like a punching tool. So that is my setup. So I guess I will try to get this lit up. I have some PVC glue since I ran out of lighter fluid. So yeah, I'm gonna get that started. Well, clearly shown in the video, none of my ideas worked. Not even I don't even know what this is now. Let's make it into a butter knife. I don't know. So, my first idea with this, it just snapped in half. I think I need a hotter forge, and I also needed to bring it up to the temperature and then let it sit, and then bring it up to the temperature and let it sit again to make that work better, you know, because it just snapped in half right when I forged with it. It's still hot. And then this one, this just kind of went downhill. I didn't even know what I was doing with it. I kind of just flattened the tip and just kind of hit it. I don't know. Guess today's not my day for blacksmithing. Last year I created a really cool karambit from this. Or I thought it was really cool. I couldn't sharpen it at all. And then it broke. But yeah, so those are two harder steels. And then this, the last one that I made, I guess a butter knife. It kind of just was my last option. I had to run in and find a piece of steel. And I guess it worked. It's like really soft steel. It's the stuff that you get at Home Depot in the steel pile, but I quenched it in water as fast as I could. So, I don't know. I'll sand it down and see what I get in a minute. Okay, I'm just gonna start grinding. Where to go? Grinding this down on my orbital sander. I have it hooked into here again because it's just easier to get like the shape done like this, ground out. And it's I don't know about sharpening. I'll see about that. I mean, I probably won't sharpen it that much since it's mild steel. I guess I'm gonna make a butter knife. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, I think I'm done here. I'm just fed up with this whole forging and everything. So this is what it turned out to be. The backside's not as good because I didn't sand it with my very fast orbital spinner, sand or whatever. So yeah, this is it. This is not at all what I was expecting, so. Oh well, can't do anything about it, so. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, all this fun stuff. Unlike what I've been having all day. Okay, bye.